Hello everyone, it's Bobby K, and today we'll be unboxing and setting up Abandoned Annie from Spring Halloween 2019. I got her for my birthday of 2019. I was turning, hold on, let me think, how old was I turning? I think I was turning 10. So, yeah, because that was 4 years ago. Yeah, I was turning 10. So, this is Abandoned Annie, and she is a super creepy doll prop. Super creepy. And, well, scary when she, you know, The unboxing is going to be very quick, because it's literally just take her out of the box and put batteries in her, and then turn her on. Just a volume maybe, and then she's done. So, yeah. Let's get right into it. Alright, opening up the box here. I did keep the cardboard insert, so I think it's going to come out all in one piece. Oh no, that does come off her head. So, that does kind of keep her from like wobbling around in there. So, there she is. Oh shoot. Yeah. So this box was on the floor one time when our basement flooded. And, the bottom kind of caved in, and she is not really wanting to come out right now. Oh, I think I got it. I got it! Finally! The penguin. Here she is. I'm gonna put her up here. She is relatively short. Like, hold on, I think she's about the same height as Gravewalker, probably. Yeah, about the same exact height. Her head is a little bit bigger than Gravewalker's, though. So yeah, there's Abandoned Annie. Oh, you can't see her. There's Abandoned Annie. And I'll get some batteries for her and I'll pop them in, and then we can watch her demo. I'm just gonna flip her right side up and turn around just to make sure those batteries are good before I screw her back up.
Please play with me.
And they
I'm
are.
so lonely.
Just gonna make sure the mouth is working fine.
Now that you're here. Stay with me. Please play
Nope.
with me.
It's batteries.
So lonely.
And now let's test her. I bet she'll be a lot louder.
Please play with me.
Not really.
I'm so lonely.
Maybe a little bit, but
I won't be anymore now that you're here. Stay with me.
yup,
Please.
a lot better now. Let me just turn her off there. Now, while I'm putting the battery compartment back in, I'm going to tell you a couple facts about this animatronic that maybe you didn't know. Well, not really that maybe you didn't know, but just a couple facts about her. She's a very forgotten prop. Yeah, like, when you list off a bunch of props, this isn't one you really need. I don't know why a lot of people forgot about her, really, but people did, and that's just how it is. And two, I think it was this grave-grabbing doll. She had the same audio as Abandoned Annie, but there was one extra phrase that they didn't use on Abandoned Annie. Now, if I can find a video of that phrase, I will add it in, like right now.
Playtime is fun time.
but I'm gonna find a spot, and then I'll get right back to you. Alright, I figured out that this is where I want Abandoned Annie, and this is where she's gonna stay for, like, 2 weeks. Then all this is coming down, and we're transforming into Halloweeny Halloween, if you know what I mean. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna run as soon as she turns on. Or maybe I'll put her on sound and get out and then clap.
Please play with me. I'm so lonely. I won't be anymore now that you're here. Stay with me, and we can play forever. Come a little closer. I just want to hug you. Don't worry. I won't bite.
There's both of her phrases, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!
Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video, and you can click here to watch my most recent video, here to watch a video that's recommended just for you by YouTube, and right over here you can click to subscribe. Have a good one. Bobby K out.